Hello dear students and welcome back. In today's video I will show you how we can create links in Linux file system. And you can think of links like shortcuts in Windows where you can create a shortcut for a file. Here in Linux we can create links, and links in Linux have two main categories. One is hard link and one is called a soft link, sometimes called symlink or symbolic link. All right. And the main difference between the two, hard link will create a copy. Basically, will create a copy of the original file because it will have a link to the data itself inside the file. So it will not be pointing to the file itself. It will be pointing to the data inside of it. And as such, if you delete the original file, all right, you will still have them accessible through the hard link. Because I don't know if you know this, but once you delete something in a computer, you don't really delete it. You are just telling the file system that, hey, this location now is available to write on it, even if it have data. We don't care about that. All right. So now, because you created a hard link to the data itself, you still can access these data. Unlike a soft link will be a pointer to the file itself. All right. So if the file is deleted, the soft link will not work anymore. So let's see that in action. Let's open this one here, clear everything. As you can see, I was working with that actually. Doing some refresher for myself, but anyway, let's create now a link, a soft link, and I will create that using ln command, which is shorthand for link, and then -s for soft link, and then the source file, which is content.txt, and then the link name. So I will name this data. And now you can see we have created this link, and this link have this icon which tells you that this is a link. And if we do ls-lrt, you can see now data is pointing to content.txt. And as you can see, the first one here, so if you remember when we talked about permissions, the first one, we did not know what was that. It's actually to tell us that if it's dash, it's a file. If it's D, it's a directory. And if it's L, it's a link. All right. Anyway, let's create now a hard link. So to create a hard link, we can say ln, then the source name, and then name this data2.txt. So source file and the link name. Hit enter. Now you can see data2 is now created. Now let's close everything here and see if we remove these files, if they will still work or not. Now remember, these two are links to content.txt. Actually, let's go back here one more time, do ls like previously. Actually not here, I want to open it here and do ls. You can see now data2, while it was created as a link, it's not a link, it's a file. We can see that here, right? So now if we change the location, you will see that the soft link doesn't work anymore. It's broken link, doesn't work. Let's take it back here. Now it works. For this, it works. We have a copy, as you can see, of the content. So let's go back here. See the content of content.txt. Exactly the same. So let's modify this. Type hi, I am a new addition. So hopefully I wrote that correctly. I come back here. You can see the document has been external modified. Reload. Here is the data. We are pointing to the data itself on the disk, all right, to its location. So even if we delete the file, doesn't matter, the data still there. All right, guys. So this tells you the power of Linux, actually. But anyway, that's it for me, guys, in this video. I will see you in the next one.